Welcome you all. This is Chandra Chemistry online chemistry class. In this video, we are going to discuss about Unit 7 Atoms and Molecule, Standard 10th, Session 10. Today topic 1 marks. First of all, we are going to calculate number of moles from mass. Formula: number of moles equal to mass of the element divided by atomic mass of the element. First sum: calculate the number of moles in 46 gram of sodium. Formula: number of moles is equal to mass of the element divided by atomic mass of the element. Here element is sodium. Mass of the sodium is 46 gram. Atomic mass of the sodium is 23. Therefore, number of moles is equal to 46 divided by 23. That is equal to 2 moles. So, number of moles in 46 gram of sodium equal to 2 moles of sodium. Next sum: 8 gram of oxygen. Formula: number of moles equal to mass of the element divided by molecular mass of the substance. Mass of the element is 8 gram. Molecular mass of the substance, here substance is oxygen. Molecular mass of oxygen is 32. So, number of moles equal to 8 divided by 32, that is equal to 0.25 moles. Next sum: 52 gram of helium. Formula: number of moles equal to mass of the element divided by atomic mass of the element. Mass of the element, that means given mass of the element is 52. Atomic mass of helium is 4. So, number of moles equal to 52 divided by 4, that is equal to 13 moles. Next sum: calculate number of moles of 112 gram of nitrogen. Formula: number of moles equal to mass of the substance divided by molecular mass of the substance. Given mass of the substance is 112 gram. So, number of moles is equal to 112 divided by molecular mass of nitrogen is 28. So, 112 divided by 28, that is equal to 4 moles. Next sum: calculate number of moles of 4 gram of hydrogen. Formula: number of moles equal to mass of the substance divided by molecular mass of the substance. Given mass of the substance, here hydrogen, given mass is 4 gram. Molecular mass of hydrogen is 2. So, 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 2 moles. Molecular mass means, molecules means number of atoms presented in the molecules. Okay, atoms are combined together to form a molecules. Hydrogen containing 2 hydrogen atom. 2 hydrogen atoms are combined together to form hydrogen molecule. So, 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. That is the molecular mass of hydrogen. Given mass of the hydrogen is 4. So, number of moles equal to 4 by 2, that is equal to 2 moles. Next sum: calculate number of moles of 35.5 gram of chlorine. Chlorine molecule is formed by 2 chlorine atom. That means chlorine molecule is containing 2 chlorine atoms. Number of moles is equal to mass of the element divided by molecular mass of the substance. Here given mass is 35.5. Chlorine atomic mass is 35.5. Chlorine molecule containing 2 chlorine atom. So molecular mass of chlorine substance equal to 2 into 35.5. So that is equal to 70. Therefore, number of moles equal to given mass, that is 35.5 divided by molecular mass of chlorine is 70. That is equal to 0.50 moles. So match the following. Number of moles of 8 gram of oxygen, that is 0.25 moles. Formula: given mass divided by molecular mass. Next one, 4 gram of hydrogen. Number of moles of 4 gram of hydrogen equal to 2 moles. Next one, 52 gram of helium, that is 13 moles. Next one, 112 gram of nitrogen. Answer: 4 moles. Next question, number of moles of 35.5 gram of chlorine. Answer: 0.5 moles. Next, fill in the blanks. First one, atoms of different element having dash mass number but dash atomic numbers are called as isobars. Isobars means atoms of different element having same mass number but different atomic number, that is called as isobar. Isobar means atom of different element having same mass number, different atomic number, that is called as isobar. So first dash same, second dash different. Second one more, atoms of different element having the same number of dash are called as isotones, that is neutrons. Third fill up, atom of one element can be transmuted into atom of other element by artificial transmutation. Next one more, the sum of the number of protons and neutrons of an atom is called as mass number. Mass number means sum of the neutrons and protons. Fifth one, relative atomic mass is otherwise known as standard atomic weight. The average atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.008 AMU. AMU means atomic mass unit. If a molecule is made up of similar kind of atoms, then it is called as dash atomic molecule. Answer is homoatomic molecules. Next one word, the number of atoms presented in a molecule is called as its atomicity. Next one more, 1 mole of any gas occupies dash ml at STP. Answer: 22,400 ml. Atomicity of phosphorus is 4. Thank you.